What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got a couple updates to go through today, so let's just get straight into the video. First and foremost, if you're waiting to be paid, then according to the Forex Funder, on Monday, March 25th, that is when all payments will start processing. So it doesn't mean you're going to get paid at that time. It just means they're going to start processing the payments. Hopefully by the end of the week, you'll be paid. But however, because of this company's track record of giving us dates and making promises and not delivering on them, I would say take it with a grain of salt, be open-minded, because even at the end of the week, you still may not be able to get paid. Moving on to the next part, which would be for those of us waiting for our credentials and waiting to get migrated, what does this mean for us? Well, apparently if you selected MatchTrader as the platform that you wanted to trade on in this migration, you're live right now. According to them, MatchTrader is live right now. People should be trading right now. Now, I personally can't confirm this because I did not select MatchTrader as the migration platform. However, if you did, please leave a comment below confirming for us that this is true or this is accurate so that we can follow along and keep up and know what's really going on. If not, let us know as well. That leads us to our next point, which is for those of us who are not with MatchTrader, what does that mean for us? If you're not with MatchTrader, according to them, if you're still migrating to CTrader, TradeLocker, or you're not in a banned country so you can use MetaTrader 5, then Monday, March 25th should be the day that all of us get to trade. Again, we've been here before, you know, same song and dance. We've seen this movie before. Don't know if that's actually going to be the case. Keep an open mind. All right. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the public sentiment towards this company. Right now, everybody's yelling this company is a scam. This is a sham. This is a hoax. They've taken our funds and run to the winds. We're never getting our money back. And I absolutely understand the frustration of everybody. I think the reason why things are like this is because what the Forex Funder tried to do is that instead of going to one platform like everyone else did, all the other platforms or prop firms went to either DXTrade and a handful of people went to MatchTrader. So the migration was, I wouldn't say seamless because they struggled too, but the migration was a lot more straightforward than what's going on with the Forex Funder. The Forex Funder, it seems like they tried to give us more options, and shout out to them for trying. Gotta give credit where credit's due, but I think they underestimated how difficult it would be to take on 4 different platforms at the same time. And I think the reason why everybody's really upset with them is the way that they're handling the situation. A viewer or a subscriber left a comment under one of my videos stating that these people have blocked people now and are not responding to emails anymore, which is a poor way to handle this if this is true. This is all allegedly because I can't confirm. But if this is the case, then you're making things worse. And I can believe it might be the case only because when I look at their social medias and their platforms, what people are saying in their comment sections is crazy. So I think this is why everybody's so upset with them. It's the way they handled it. They kept on telling us, oh, don't worry, guys. Tomorrow, everything is good. Tomorrow comes and it's the same story. Don't worry, guys. This weekend, we've been at this for 2 weeks now, going into 3, right? So this is why everybody's frustrated right now. For me personally, as frustrating as it is, what's been keeping me going is the fact that I'm still trading with a prop firm that still uses MetaTrader 5 and still accepts clients from basically all over the world, so I'm unaffected. Now, this is not a promo for them. I already did a video explaining why I was with them in the first place. I became an affiliate after having a good experience with them and getting paid out. There's a whole video on that, okay? This is not a promo for them. If you want to check out that video, you're more than able to. I'll probably link in the description below or leave it as the suggestion video in this video. That's besides the point. I'm basically saying I have options. I also have other prop firms that use CTrader, so I've been able to take trades with them as well. This morning I caught a 1 to 5 on the platform that I just mentioned that still uses MetaTrader 5. I caught a 1 to 4, on there this morning. So things are still happening for me. But if this is your only platform or your only prop firm, I completely understand your frustration and I don't blame you for whatever outrage or outburst that you have. I'm personally waiting till the end of March to see how all of this plays out. And if it doesn't, then I know what actions I'm going to take. With that being said, guys, that's all I have for you for this video. I was hoping to have better news for you guys going into the weekend, but unfortunately, this is all that I got. So all I can say for now, guys, is who knows? Maybe the 9th time is the charm. Maybe this Monday, everything will happen. Who knows? Stay hopeful, sit tight, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.